Imagine waking up and seeing your first $1,000 in your bank account. Not from winning the lottery, not from crypto, and not from some get-rich-quick scheme, but from a skill you learned while you're still a student. If I had to start from zero today, this is exactly what I would do. The biggest mistake. Most students believe they need money before they can make money. That's completely wrong. What you actually need is one valuable skill that helps businesses solve a real problem. Businesses don't care how old you are. They care whether you can save them time, make them money, or make their lives easier. That's your opportunity. Stop focusing on making money first and start focusing on becoming valuable. Step 1. Choose one skill. Don't try to learn everything. Pick just one skill and commit to it. It could be video editing, graphic design, AI automation, social media management, or copywriting. These are all high-income skills that businesses need every day. The best part is that you can learn them for free on YouTube. Don't spend 6 months preparing. Spend 2 weeks learning the fundamentals, then start applying what you've learned. Step 2. Practice with real projects. Here's what most beginners do. They watch tutorial after tutorial, hoping they'll eventually feel ready. But knowledge without practice won't get you paid. Instead, create 3 or 4 sample projects. Edit a fake YouTube video, design a fake logo, write a fake advertisement. Build a small portfolio that shows what you're capable of. Clients don't care where your projects came from. They care whether you can solve their problem. Step 3. Get your first client. Now it's time to find your first client. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you'll never feel completely ready. Start reaching out to local businesses, restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, and small online stores. Send a simple message like, "Hi, I noticed your social media could be improved. I'd love to edit one video for free so you can see my work." Most people won't reply, and that's completely normal. You don't need everyone to say yes. You only need one. That first client gives you experience. The second pays you. The third brings referrals. Step 4. Repeat until 1,000. Let's do the math. If you charge $100 per project, you only need 10 projects to earn your first $1,000. As your skills improve, increase your prices to $200, then $300 per project. Your income grows because your value grows. Don't chase quick money. Build skills that people are willing to pay for. Ending. The truth is, making your first $1,000 isn't about finding the perfect business idea. It's about solving one problem for one person, delivering great work, and repeating the process. Pick one skill, find one client, do excellent work, then repeat. That's exactly how I would make my first $1,000 as a student. If you want more videos about making money online, building valuable skills, and achieving financial freedom, subscribe, because that's exactly what this channel is all about.